Hey everyone, welcome back to Alltech. If you're in the market for a reliable and accurate laser measuring tool, you're in the right place. Today, we're taking a closer look at the HOTO Laser Measuring Tool. It's packed with features that make it a must-have for anyone who needs precise measurements. Whether you're a real estate agent, architect, or a DIY enthusiast, let's dive in. First off, this gadget is a cool addition to any toolbox. Measuring just got a whole lot easier, and once you get your hands on this, you're going to love using it. It's sleek, compact, and designed to make your life simpler. The HOTO Laser Measuring Tool even earned the prestigious Red Dot Award for its design. It's got a patented mini yellow ring that adds style and grip. The rubberized material feels comfortable in your hand, and the ultra-compact body means you can take it anywhere. One of the standout features of this laser tape measure is the Bluetooth connection. With the MI Home app, you can save and share measurements, create floor plans, convert units, and even export photos. All your data is right at your fingertips. The tool comes with a low-power OLED screen that's easy on the eyes and allows for long-term indoor measurements. You'll get fast, accurate results in just 0.2 seconds with an impressive accuracy of up to plus or minus 1/16 inch. The range goes from 0.16 feet all the way up to 98 feet. Making it perfect for any indoor project. It's powered by a universal Type-C charging port, so no need to worry about finding specific cables. It's perfect for measuring room dimensions, window heights, or furniture sizes. Whether you're a professional or just doing some home improvements, this tool is super convenient. So there you have it. The HOTO Laser Measuring Tool is a compact, stylish, and incredibly useful gadget that takes the hassle out of measuring. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to Alltech, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any of our upcoming tech reviews. Links to more details and the best deals are down in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Until next time, keep exploring the world of tech with Alltech. Bye for now.